Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a sling bag from Inateck or Inateck. It comes in this nice box, although it's a bit battered and scratched because Amazon decided to don't bother covering it with another package. So yeah, let's quickly open it up and see what kind of bag we have. Boom, we no longer need that. So okay guys, so let's see what it says in here. YKK innovative woven in tough zipper. It is extremely durable. Yeah, we know YKK is probably the best zippers you could get. Very interesting design. This is smaller than other sling bags, but still big enough to fit like a Nintendo Switch. It has a little metallic kind of logo in here, Inateck, which looks really nice. That's reflective band in there, so you will shine in the dark. And then let's see, so that's the band it has, and that's how it opens. Oh, really nice opening system, very smooth and wow, very light. That's tough plastic, can be adjusted, and while you're on the go, you can easily adjust it like this. So you can just move this around up and down, and then just close it when you're ready. It also has this elastic band to keep this together. So let's have a quick look how large it is. So that's the larger bit, and then in the middle in here, I'll tell you later if you stay and watch my video. That's amazing what they have in there. So the buttons are covered by this rubberized plasticky thing, and then you have the YYK zippers. This is not fully kind of the waterproof type you see on other bags, and let me show you quickly what I mean by that. See, on this Tomtok you have this type of that's fully waterproof. Still, I think you will be fine. What I noticed straight away is that there is this inside kind of, so if it rains, water will go around here. So hopefully this is strong enough to retain, to stop water from coming in. And that's for your keys, so you can attach them like that, and that's how it is inside. To be honest with you, I wish it was dark inside, but I guess it makes sense. Being light like this, you can easily see your objects. So it has a pocket, side pocket like that, and then plenty of space in there. Then on the main one you have orange, I don't even know how you call this, but I can't remember now. The same kind of system, straps, maybe orange straps. So when you open this, you get a compartment like this where you could actually put a Nintendo Switch or something else. You have a additional kind of elastic bands in here, which separates it in 4 different storages. You have a mesh, 2 meshes, one smaller and one larger, to drop objects in. And this is the main area. As you can see, it's quite wide. Then you also have these pockets, and then you have a hidden pocket in here, maybe for your wallet, and we'll see what we could put. So now what's really interesting is that inside in here you can open it up like that, and you get put through an umbrella or a bottle of water. So I'll show you in just a moment. So let's see how much it will fit in here. So first of all, I just want to see if I can fit this water bottle in there. and how much space it takes, because obviously, and by the way, don't worry, it's not gonna fall off because there's a mesh on the other side, so it stays there nicely, as well as you can put an umbrella. So now let's see if the Nintendo Switch fits in there. Probably it will. Maybe if I take off this case that I have on it, let's try that. Okay, so I've removed that. Pretty sure it will fit in there without any issues, like so. So that's one thing done. Power bank, depends where you want to put it. You can put it in the main area. As you can see, because the bottle is in there, it's kind of restraining the storage you have. For the phone, I would like to be able to maybe access it fast. I forgot to talk about this back pocket actually, that has separate areas for your cards. So that's where I would put my phone. That's pretty nice. And maybe for now my wallet in here inside, although like the bottle is really restraining me from adding something in there. And I was planning to take this with me as well, so maybe I can fit that in this pocket. And you see, it's very nice that this protects the Nintendo Switch. Where would I put this cable? Maybe in here. And I was planning to take a mouse with me as well. Obviously it could sit like that, and then my earphones, I don't even know if it will close though. Oh, it closes fine. And maybe we'll put the earphones in the front, like so. Oh, I'm surprised guys how much I could fit in here. It looks quite bulky and that's because we have this bottle, this water bottle. So but it does fit. A bit chunky, I don't even know, so maybe can we make this a bit smaller like that, because now I don't know if I can still make it a bit larger. If we can. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you can definitely carry it like this, you know, or on the back. Let's see on the back over my head, right at the back. Yeah, that's still decent. But definitely it will make a big difference in the storage area if you decide not to take this water bottle with you. As you can see, it looks much more normal, and you also gain a bit of strap actually, because for me, I'm a bigger guy, so I was feeling the need of having a bit more of this strap. So yeah guys, there you have it. It looks quite nice without the bottle. Yeah, it's a nice feature, but it does makes it bulky if you're carrying loads of stuff with you. So I prefer it like this. Let's just try it one more time and see how it feels now. Yeah, now it feels perfect. I can wear it like this, keep it in front. No one will be able to access it when I'm in busy areas, you know. And on the back, perfect. It's very light now with all this inside. Obviously with the water bottle it will make it a bit chunkier. I think maybe it works a bit better just with an umbrella. That's what actually they recommend on their website, to add an umbrella, a brolly, and that will be probably a bit better than a water bottle. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it.